Dear Eric, I remember all the good times we had with each other. I remember the way you used to look at me, the way you used to fidget when I told a bad joke, and whenever you were stressed, as you always were, I'd be there to calm you down. We used to make each other so happy. But things aren't like that anymore. For you, at least. Don't get me wrong, I'm proud of you, but ever since you got that letter, things have been different. I know we haven't been seeing eye to eye lately, but the way I see it, with time, things will work out. Wait. No. With enough effort, we'll make it work out.
Sky, I gotta talk to you about something.
What's going on?
So I got accepted, right? And it's great, but you know what that means. I'm gonna be leaving.
Well, that's fine, I'm coming with you.
No, that's not how it works. It's just not. The truth is, we're not gonna be able to stay together. And I know it sucks, but it's the truth.
Maybe he's right. What? No way, he's exaggerating things like he always does. Right now, you're the one exaggerating things. You really think this is gonna fix everything. If we do it right, then yes. There are so many different ways we could have said goodbye, but you chose not to say goodbye at all. I would do anything for you, Eric, but you won't let me.
You do this all the time. You're not thinking realistically.
What do you mean I'm not thinking realistically?
You're gonna come with me to college? How?
I'll figure something out.
No, you're not, okay? What, in a couple of months you're gonna do everything it takes to get into this college? They don't even teach anything you're interested in.
You really think I care about that right now?
No, I don't, and that's the problem. You shouldn't screw up your life just to be with me. I want more for you than that. Not everything is gonna work just because you want it to. And if you can't realize that, then this isn't gonna work.
What? It was your fault he broke up with you, no one else's. It wasn't my fault, I was just trying to be there for him. He didn't need you there for him, that's what you don't realize because you're too caught up in your own fantasy world. I just want us to be happy, why is that so difficult?
I'm sorry.
Wait, Eric, are you...
I'm doing this for your own good.
Are you breaking up with me? The reason why I'm writing this letter is because I was too afraid to talk to you face to face. But now I've decided to stop being so afraid because I realize it's never quite as bad as you think it's going to be. People are too afraid of what can happen, that they never stop to see the amazing things that will. But if we really want things to improve, we need to stop being so afraid of the future and move on. For your consideration, Sky.